Okay, so our stuff is going. All our stuff. Tata, bye bye. See you. See you in Aurangabad. My bike is over there. My CNC machine is over there. Okay, so welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today is 18th July 2021. The time right now is around 9:30, 9:40ish. And yeah, we slept yesterday at 5 o'clock, packing all the stuff in the house, removing it, cleaning it, seeing what we want, seeing what we don't want. My voice is changed because I'm very tired, I'm very sleepy. So today the packers and movers are going to come, and today is the day everything gets packed and we leave Goa. Okay, so the rickshaw that is going to take our stuff has come, and now they'll do the packing and all, and we'll probably leave. Okay, so it's a total chaos to put the stuff in the truck because it's raining and stuff. It's become a lot of dust. And now we are going to pack the Apache. All of the stuff has been packed. There's a lot of chaos over here. These are all the boxes that are going to go. That is my bike. Chaos. Look at this. Boxes. My cycle is going. Hey, where everyone went, right? Okay, so all of our stuff is getting loaded. It is pretty much loaded already. Almost done, right? My cycle, my bike, everything is inside. Oh my god. Okay, so our stuff is going. All our stuff. Tata, bye bye. See you in Aurangabad. My bike is over there. My CNC machine is over there. Gone. Stuff is gone. So our stuff is gone now. Now soon even we will go. But the thing is, you can't take Goa out of a person. You can take a person out of Goa, but you can't take Goa out of a person. Okay, so first I have come to Doyston's place to say hi. Not even hi, say goodbye. But it's raining too much, rain, Goa. Too much. Mantler, even the gods are crying. Why you are leaving Goa, bro? So yeah, I'm at Doyston Goa. Back from Nathan's place. The time right now, it is almost 9 p.m. And I usually don't vlog a lot when I'm at Nathan's place because I like talking to them, spending time with them, and I don't know, I've never really liked to remove my phone when I'm going on rides with them and all that. So I didn't shoot anything, so I don't have anything to show for. So I've just reached home. It is 9 p.m. Now we have to leave for Ponda. So yeah, it's gonna be a long night of driving. Uh, just ordered some pizza to eat. I'll have it and then we'll go. Okay, so it's 9:30 p.m. and finally the stuff that we have to take to Ponda. It's all Ganpati festival ka requirements is loaded. So now we shall make a move. See you on the road. Lush green forests of Goa. Finally it stopped raining. Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today is 19th July 2021. The time right now it is 7:30 a.m. and we are at our relative's house in Ponda. So a lot of work today before leaving Goa. We have to take the antigen test. But the weather has finally opened up and it is all green and beautiful now. Just did the COVID rapid test and it hurts, dude. When they put it on, it hurts and your eyes become watery and it actually hurts, feels weird when they do it. Maurice Garage since 1924. Whoa. Okay, so the time right now it is 12:26 p.m. in the afternoon. Look how beautiful. I think there's a peacock over there. I'm just driving slow because see, it's all full off-road. One thing that I have learned from my father is if you're driving in the rain, so like yeah, it is raining, okay, and so in the inside temperature is higher and the outside temperature is lower. So on the these windows and the front windshield, there will be lot of fogging up. So I have just cleared that fog. There will be lot of fogging up. Like you literally won't be able to see anything because the inside temperature is different and the outside temperature is different. So the way you do it is you turn on your AC and try to match the inside temperature with the outside one. And if those both are matched, then there will be no fogging up. And the rain gods are crying because we are about to leave Goa. So they are crying a lot. And yeah, I'll focus on the road. When it rains, whoa! Rains of Goa are super crazy. My god, look how trees are falling and stuff. Whoa, man. Whoa. Hey, Maharashtra number plate, Maharashtra number plate. Okay, so just picked up the negative certificate. Hey, let's go. With all of the work, everything is done. Now we just have to go give the rental car back and climb into the bus. So the entire house is now empty. Whoa, look at the kitchen. Whoa, dining table is there. Whoa, you get a sofa, you get some sofa chairs, you get a study table, you get a center table, you also get some good curtains. You also get a flower vase in the left corner. You also get good biker stickers. You also get a AC. You also get a queen size bed. You also get curtains. You also get stuff to hang your wet clothes on. So now a good help will be if anyone wants this house on rent, you can just let me know in my comments or you can call me. I'll leave my number below. It also has an AC. So if anyone is watching this video, you want to come to Goa, preferably a family, you can hit me up. This house is there. So yeah, we have made it to So yeah, the bus hasn't come yet. So the bus hasn't come yet, so we will wait for some time, but it is raining a lot. I don't know what to do.